Hi friends, this is a plant lover Neil. This is a quick garden update video. Today I will be harvesting our first brinjal or eggplant crop. So this is the our terrace garden, and as you can see we have grown several eggplants, and the eggplant that I'll be going to harvest is this one over here. So I'll just show you. This I have grown in a tire. As you can see, I have kept two tires one above the other, and that's how this growing medium is. And here you can see the lovely huge round. I might be harvesting a bit early, but because this area where we live is very prone to monkey raids, that is, the monkey raids the garden and eats the fruit, so I'm harvesting as a precautionary measure. It might grow a bit more than this, and then after that this color will start to, the shine of the eggplant will start to decrease. So that means that the eggplant is now no longer that good, but as you can see at present it's quite shiny, so it's perfect for harvesting. So here we go. So you can see how thick the stalk is. Okay, let me show you from close. So leaves are covering it here. So here we snip it. Okay, so here it is. Lovely. And as you can see, there are several others in line. So this is the first lot. Here is the second. Here you can see the third one over here. And this is growing bigger. And over here, this is the round eggplant. And we have got the other varieties over here. This is the longer one, a bit fat and long. Here. You can see the color is also a bit darker. I hope you like this quick garden update video. Thanks for watching. Bye.